Ayan, nandito tayo doon sa isang old town uli ng dito sa Switzerland. Ito yung mga typical na Swiss na mga bahay, no? Ayan, kita nyo. Of course, yung kanilang pamosong Swiss Guard. Yan, nasabi kanina, no, na maraming mga bay windows dito sa Switzerland, no? Talagang ano sila dyan, kilala sila dyan, no? So tingnan niyo yan, no? Ganda, ganda. Para kang nasa ano, Fantasy Island. Of course, yan, may mga alfresco na kainan, kapihan, no? So ganda, diba? Enchanting. And so
go there. And there's a new one in Zurich, an English one, that costs me approximately, which is beautiful a day.
So mahilig din sila yan, no? They paint yung mga buildings, no? Ganda, di ba? So far ito yung ano, no, the best old town na pasyalan ng The Philippine Business News. Well, ano siya, no, well zoned, no? Maayos siya talaga, hindi siya yung halo-halo, no, as you can see. Tapos yun, surrounded by the mountain. Luca, what do you call this place?
Stein am Rhein.
Stein am Rhein.
Stein am Rhein.
Yeah, so in English?
Stone at the Rhine River.
Okay. There's Rhine River in Cologne, right? Still connected?
River,
yeah.
Here it's still clean, and in Cologne it's dirty.
I know. Why is it clean?
Because the water here is all fresh, comes from the Alps.
Yeah. That's right. That's right.
It hasn't been traveling a long way, and it's not always clean, to tell you the truth. So if we have thunderstorms in the area.
So, and this water is something that you can drink, right? As long as the cow doesn't drink.
The cow. If you see a cow here drinking, don't drink.
Okay, so yun, no, exciting yung mga tubig dito. Pwede mong inumin, no? Ayan. So maglalakad na kami. I think may pupuntahan dito yung one of the ice cream houses, native na ano to, no? Local ano. Ayan. Ayan. Ayan, no? Hilig nila, no? So ang sarap maglakad dito kasi ano, ang kagandahan dito kasi hindi siya nakakapagod, no? Ang mga sasakyan dito, ayan, more on delivery. Unlike in other old towns na may mga sasakyan na ano, ito hindi. Basically, ano lang siya, ano lang, panglakaran lang talaga, ano. Tapos may mga naka-wheelchair pa nga, no? Ayan. So ito may mga group tour din, no? So Surberg, yan. Tapos may mga ano rin, tindahan no, na nagbebenta ng mga ng gamit. So, ito na yata yung ice cream na masarap, no? Puntahan namin. Oo.
So if anyone wants an ice cream, that's a good place to go.
Pasukin natin. So, ayan. So, pasukin muna namin yung ice cream cabins. Yeah. That's the ice cream, name of the ice cream house.
How many?
Okay.
Don't touch stickers. Do they have like they both like this few hundred?
Galing.
This ice cream cone has seen